Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows couldn't load correctly error Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, volume. Volume 2 is Windows installed directory. Type exit. Type dcolan, cd space, Windows. cd space, system32. Type chkdsk space, /r, type y. Type sfc space, /scano space, /offbooter equal dcolan \space, /offwinder equal dcolan \windows. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. Type bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootrec space, /fixboot. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd. Total identified Windows installation is 0, follow our other tutorial under blue screen error playlist. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.